In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable double opt-in. By the end, you'll have a cleaner, more compliant email list and a smoother sign-up experience for your subscribers. First, head into your MailChimp dashboard and go to the audience area. This is where all your contacts live and where list level settings are managed. If you manage more than one audience, make sure you've selected the correct one before making changes, since opt-in settings apply per audience. On the audience page, look for the More Options menu. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as a 3 dots icon near the top right of the contact's view. Click it to reveal additional tools for your audience. From that menu, choose Audience Settings. This opens the configuration area where you control things like form behavior and default preferences. Once you're in Audience Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Form Settings. This is the hub for how your sign-up forms behave and how subscribers are added to your list. Within Form Settings, locate the Email Opt-in Settings card. This is where you decide whether people are added to your list immediately or only after confirming their email address. Click Edit to adjust these options. Now, select Double Opt-in. With Double Opt-in, anyone who signs up will receive a confirmation email and must click the link inside to verify they want to join your list. This extra step helps reduce fake or mistyped addresses, improves deliverability, and can support compliance with regulations in many regions. It's normal to see slightly fewer signups, but the quality of your list typically improves significantly. After selecting Double Opt-in, click Save Opt-in Setting. Watch for a success message to confirm your changes have been applied. From this point on, new subscribers will be marked as pending until they confirm via the email they receive. A few quick tips to ensure everything works smoothly. Test the flow using your own email address to experience what subscribers see and to confirm the confirmation link works. Keep an eye on your confirmation email's branding and language so it matches your voice and builds trust. MailChimp lets you customize this in its forms and response emails area. If you notice people not completing confirmation, consider adding a short note near your sign-up form telling users to check their inbox and spam folder for the confirmation message. That's it. Your audience is now set to use double opt-in. This small change can make a big difference in list health and campaign performance. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.